Well, in my last place of work, a few people I worked with were graduates of the program. They said it was a good program, they recommended it to me, and they were getting more money than I was. So, doing the same job, so it seemed like the right move. Well, I have a background in electronics already. Worked at it for a total of about 5 years. This last place of work was 2 years, about 2 years there. And like I said, everyone that worked around me, or a lot of people that were working in the same department as me, were technologists, and I was a technician, so the pay scale was a little different. I wanted to do software because I didn't know much about software, and I wanted to get into the market of being able to integrate hardware and software together. Not really sure directly exactly what field, but something to do with integration of hardware and software, and it seemed like the right program for that. With the programming side, I find really interesting. I find that probably the most fun. You can get immediate results from what you're doing. You write code and you run the code and it does something, and it's rewarding. We haven't gotten too far yet because I'm in the second year, but the coolest thing I've done so far is like make a GUI menu and have options drop down and make the windows that you see on your Windows computer. So that's pretty fun. But I'm looking forward to what's coming next year, because things are going to get more intense, like when we're doing graphics and stuff like that, and that's really exciting.
I expected to learn a fair bit about microprocessors and microcontrollers, electronics, as well as enough programming to get along with it. There's actually more programming to it than I expected, but it's been all right so far. One of my favorite courses so far was a microcontrollers course, where we basically tore apart somebody's tech thesis from the previous year and set up a router on the robot to actually broadcast from an IP cam on the robot, so we could control the robot and make it move throughout the school as long as it was within range of the school's network. That was pretty fun. I would recommend it to anybody with a strong interest in programming, networking, or electronics, just because it covers a lot of different areas, and just the cost of it, and it's only a 3-year program, so anybody that wants to get through it will get through it. You will learn as long as you want to learn.